In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Singularity. This one's very unique and very special because first off, the material I use to print mine is a copper material, and it's a real copper material made by protopasta. And that's why mine has this tarnished patina look, because I actually oxidized the copper in the filament. So it's a PLA filament that has copper powder in it that allows me to give it this special oxidized look. I oxidized it with hydrogen peroxide and distilled vinegar with a couple of teaspoons of salt. I brushed the solution onto the marble machine, let it dry, and repeated until I got the patina look that I wanted. The other thing that makes this one special is it's a print-in-place machine, which basically means that you don't have to assemble anything except for the cover for the motor and the wires. It prints on the build plate flat just like this. And just a fair warning, this is not the easiest print in the world. Mine worked first try, but it is definitely an advanced 3D print because there are tolerances you have to deal with, and there's a lot of bridging and a lot could go wrong with it. But I was able to get it to work first try. If you have any problems or any questions on how to get it to print for you, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing your prints. Feel free to send them to me. Either tag me on Instagram at 3D Printer Academy with underscores between each word, 3D_printer_academy, or feel free to email me or send a message to me on my website. Thanks and take care.